Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM can help you create organized notes and generate quizzes directly from your uploaded documents, making it a powerful tool for studying, research, and knowledge review. Instead of manually summarizing information or writing practice questions, you can use AI to transform your sources into useful learning materials. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make notes or a quiz in NotebookLM in 2026 simple and effective. So first thing, create or open a notebook. Like open NotebookLM and choose a notebook. Okay, you can use class notes, PDFs, research papers, articles, textbooks, meeting notes. Okay, so keep each notebook focused on a specific topic. Okay, then upload your sources. Okay, so common sources include lecture slides, study notes, academic papers, reports, manuals. So NotebookLM will use these materials to generate notes. Okay, then ask NotebookLM to create notes. Use the chat panel to request notes. Okay, so example, you can say summarize these documents, create study notes from this material, generate chapter notes, create concise revision notes. Okay, so AI generated notes save significant time. Okay, so then make a quiz in NotebookLM, like request a quiz, like once your sources are uploaded, or ask NotebookLM to generate a quiz. For example, create a quiz from these notes, generate exam questions, create a practice test, make a knowledge check quiz. So NotebookLM can build questions directly from your material. Quizzes help identify knowledge gaps. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.